Hey everyone, the Motivational Professor here, and welcome back to my channel. Let's take a look at what happened since oil opened up yesterday with regard to the OPEC news that there was going to be cuts. So you can clearly see here that we have not yet fully closed the gap. So let me show you where we are looking at that price is going to eventually come down to, in my opinion, and close this gap. Because this is where price closed on Friday. And so we still have this area right here that has not yet been met in the market. Now, this is very common. I talked about it inside of one of my Twitter chats yesterday, to go into a position under leveraged if you were going to hold the entire way. Okay. The key to crude oil is taking 20 to 40 cents at a time and either getting out, but you have to have a plan. Okay, we got in as soon as this thing gapped and came up here. I took my first position down over 100 points down in multiple entries, and now overnight you can see how crude is beginning to retrace back up, which is very common. So we are sitting on the 1 hour chart. I want to give you an entry if you have not yet taken an entry yet on crude oil. Now, definitely, before I give you this entry, let's stay motivated. Go down below and hit that like button so I know how many people are watching this video and that you are looking for more videos with solid entries as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and throw a Fibonacci level from where this price began to come down, and we're going to go down to where it bounced off this 72.19 area. So this is where, if you have not yet taken another entry, this is where I'm going to be looking, right? We could possibly see this gap stay open for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. There is no guarantee that gaps close overnight, but I'm pretty sure that at some point we are going to close this gap. So we are going to trade it as if the gap did not exist. So we want to look for an entry somewhere right up in this area would be ideal. Okay, if we can get price to come up anywhere, and I'm going to give you a big entry box because I want you to build your confidence and determine where you want to get in, right? It's not showing like it's probably going to stop at the 50 percentage, which is a high percentage reversal area. So I'm going to look for a discounted price. Now, if I see on the 5-minute chart that price begins to stall out, okay, I will enter a under leveraged position somewhere right around this 50-day, this 50 percentage on the Fibonacci level. And here's why. If we add another fib level from this high and we swing it down to this low on the 5-minute chart, looky here, looky here, looky here. We are currently right now at the 78.6. So on the 5-minute chart, actually I'm about to get into this trade. This is going to be my first entry right in here at this discounted rate. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn this, let's make this orange. Okay, so again, that's where I'm looking at because I'm okay with having some drawdown on a trade when I'm under leveraging the opportunity. So if you want to take advantage of this, this is where I would enter on the 5-minute. We can see right now there is a push for crude oil. But again, ultimately, okay, we're looking for our final destination to be down into, and I'm going to show you here, let me move up this chart, right, down into this area here. So we're looking for crude oil. Let's grab an arrow, right, to either come up in this area, reject, and eventually we're going to come down to our little yellow box, or we are going to go a little bit higher, a second position, okay, a second position, and we are going to come down to close the gap. Okay, those are the entries. I'm only sitting on crude oil, especially for the beginning of this week. So again, these are the analysis. I need you to decide what your risk management is going to be, how many entries. All of this is based on your plan. You have to have a trading plan, or you're going to plan to fail. Okay, so that's what we're looking at for crude oil. Very common for price to come back up to where it made that initial push at the open yesterday to retest these levels. So again, anything up in the 7400s with the gap still open, you're getting a discounted rate to be able to jump back in and swing trade crude oil. Okay, swing trade crude oil. That's going to be the motto for crude oil for this week, depending on what's going on. All right, so I hope you got some value from this video. Again, if you're brand new, check out my videos. Give us a try. Hit that subscribe button. I hope to give you some free education that you can definitely take advantage of it. If you want to go to the next level, if you want to take advantage of a private Discord channel, then you can go down below and there's a membership area, a diamond membership for the channel. You can join there for a few bucks a month and you have access to our private Discord channel as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a happy trading week. And again, remember, don't over leverage, and trading takes time and patience. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. It's going to take you years to get there. And that's the real honest answer, unlike what many other people tell you. And you have to have good risk management. 1 to 3% per trade should be where you should be sitting at with regards to your risk. Okay, it's Monday. We have a long week. Happy trading and stay safe.